Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the image into your InDesign layout and keeping it linked. This keeps file size small and preserves editability. Make sure the image has sufficient resolution, 300 ppi for print, because tracing works best with clear edges. Once placed, right-click and choose Edit Original to open the file in Illustrator. InDesign does not have a native vector image trace, so you prepare the file now for the tracing step in Illustrator. In Illustrator, you select the placed raster and open the Image Trace panel. This is the core step where you control how the vector will look. Choose a preset like black and white for line art or 6 colors for simplified color fills, then tweak threshold, paths, and corners to balance detail versus smoothness. Once satisfied, click Expand to convert the tracing to real vector paths, which lets you edit anchor points or simplify shapes before sending the result back to InDesign. After expanding the trace, save the artwork as an Illustrator. AI, File and return to InDesign where the link will update automatically. Make sure the updated link is active. Fit the vector into your frame using object fitting and fine-tune strokes, or fills inside InDesign or back in Illustrator for complex edits. If you see stray artifacts or too many points, relink a simplified export or redo the trace with fewer colors or higher threshold. That usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.